What's going on, guys? Stefan here, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the oxygen sensor, Bank 1 Sensor 2 on this 2012 Kia Forte. Now we are using our XTOOL AD20 Advanced scan tool here that pairs to your smartphone to read these codes. So what you're going to see here is we have a P0138 Bank 1 Sensor 2 voltage high. Now the sensor is so cheap that I'm not even going to bother diagnosing this, because this is something that, you know, it's a common issue. Oxygen sensors do fail, especially with almost 200,000 miles. It's not uncommon. So we're just going to go ahead and replace it. Now the sensor that you see right here, this is sensor 1. Sensor 2 is right down here if you follow this wire. So what you are going to need is an oxygen sensor socket to go ahead and get down onto that sensor. And then I also recommend a flex head socket. It's going to make your life easy. So we're going to go ahead, get this down there, break this loose, install the new one, and then we're going to go ahead and clear the codes and see if they come back. Alright guys, so we got our old sensor out. You'll see here we had to break out the big guns. We had to use our long half-inch swivel head ratchet, breaker bar, whatever you want to call it, with an adapter to 3/8, just because of how stuck this guy was in there. So you'll see it is out, and then we just went ahead and unplugged it from right here. This is where the plug is, right here above the transmission. There's a little bracket here where the new plug is going to go. So we are just going to go ahead. We replaced this with a Denso part number 234-4238, and it is going to come with a little bit of anti-seize. We're going to go ahead, put that on the threads, tighten this guy up here, and we're going to go ahead and plug it in and clear the code, see if they come back. Now, one thing that you may need, in our case we didn't because these threads look pretty good, you may need an oxygen sensor thread chaser. I do have one. I will leave one in the video description below for you to purchase, just in case you need it, but we're going to go ahead and get this guy in there. Alright guys, so we have all of our codes here. Went historic. We're going to go ahead and clear them, confirm and clear. Command has been sent to the ECU, confirm. Let's go ahead, start the car. This would usually code up in 2 key cycles. So let's start her up. We still have our exhaust leak, obviously we haven't fixed that yet. Air conditioning is ice cold in this thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and shut it off. Start it back up. And there's our battery light alternators. Left to chat, it's okay. We got a new one right here. Let's give it one more quick start. And I think we're in good shape. So if this video helped you replace Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on your Kia Forte, Hyundai Sonata, Hyundai Elantra, any Kia or Hyundai with the 2.0 engine in it, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.